Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door from a left-hand swing to a right-hand swing. This project can significantly improve the functionality and flow of any room in your home. We'll go over the entire process, from preparing your workspace and gathering the right tools to making the necessary adjustments for a perfect fit. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to tackle this common home improvement task with confidence and achieve a professional-looking result. Before we begin, it's crucial to gather all your tools. You'll need a screwdriver, a drill, a tape measure, and some wood filler. Safety first, so ensure the area is clear. Next, carefully remove the door from its existing hinges. It's often helpful to have a second person assist with this step to prevent any damage. Once the door is off, you can then detach the old hinges and the strike plate from both the door and the frame, setting them aside for now. Now that the old hardware is removed, it's time to prepare the door frame for its new configuration. Begin by filling in the old screw holes from the hinges and strike plate with wood filler, then sand them smooth once dry. Next, accurately measure and mark the new hinge locations on the opposite side of the door frame. Precision is key here for a well-aligned door. Finally, install your hinges and the strike plate in their new designated positions, ensuring they are level and secure. With the frame prepared, it's time to rehang your door. Carefully lift the door and align the hinge pins with the new hinges on the frame. Once the door is in place, gently close and open it a few times to test its swing. You might need to make minor adjustments to the hinge screws to ensure it operates smoothly without sticking or binding. Finally, check that the latch and lock align perfectly with the strike plate for secure closing. Congratulations, your door now swings in the desired direction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.